Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Well, today guys, I'm gonna show you about my new project, which is Cryptex, and how you can deposit your crypto, your funds here on our Cryptex contract, okay? And first you need to send the funds here to our wallet, and only after that you will then be able to purchase any of the current contracts that we have available. Okay, all right guys, now it's very simple. What you need to do is to go here on the top on my wallet and click on deposit, and now obviously what you need to do, you need to insert the amount that you are going to send. First you need to choose if you are going to send with Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. Okay, in my case I'm going to send with Bitcoin. Okay, and all you need to do is, okay, important guys, this is the way to send Bitcoin. Okay, and the minimum deposit is $25. Okay, and the Cryptex fee in Bitcoin is 3%. Then handling time 3 confirmations. Okay, so basically this is what you need to be sending. Okay, minimum $25. Okay, and all you need to do is click here, deposit with BTC, and hopefully guys I will be able to, I'm going to insert the amount more or less I have here on my OKX account. Okay, obviously I will need to take into account the fees that I will need to pay. I'm not sure exactly how much they will be, but let's see how much this will go. Okay, so let's see, 105 US dollars. Okay, maximum guys, important, it's $5,000 maximum that you need to be sending. Okay, now click here, proceed to deposit, and now you will get the details that you need to send. Okay, so the conversion fee 3%. Okay, and now what you need to do is, this is 105 US dollars. Okay, let me see if I have available. This is enough for me to cover the fees. Okay, ready to deposit. And now what you need to do very simply is to copy the details, okay, from here. Okay, and the payment in Bitcoin. Okay, first, this is the first part. You need to copy the payment in Bitcoin. This is exactly the amount that you need to be sending. Okay, and then the Bitcoin address that you need also to copy. Okay, or if you want to pay through a QR code, you can also do it. Okay, so let me go back to my OKX account, guys. Okay guys, so very simple. Now what I need to do is I want to withdraw the amount that I have here on my OKX. I click here on withdraw. Take notice guys that I'm doing this on my computer. Obviously it's going to be slightly different from your mobile. Okay, so take that into account. And now I will need to insert that amount, the amount that I got from Cryptex. Okay, with all details. And first I select the crypto, withdraw. Okay, so it's going to be Bitcoin. Then on chain. Now I click on next. Now this is gonna, it's the BTC withdrawal network. It's gonna be BTC Bitcoin. Okay, the withdrawal amount. Okay, I'm gonna insert it in here. Oh guys, important that you need to take into account that this is gonna be the network fee. Okay, so 0.00002 BTC. Okay, so from this amount that they gave me, plus this to this amount, okay, to cover for the fees. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, this is very important when you are doing this mostly on exchanges. If you are working with wallets like Exodus wallets, like Trustwallet, usually they make the fees, they automatically take it. Okay, but in most exchanges you need to add these funds, the fees, to this amount, so that this can really work. Okay guys, so now I inserted the amount, but in most exchanges, like I was saying, you have fees. In exchanges, most of the time you need to add the fees up, or there's an option here that we have on OKX, which is to change the amount received. The network fee has changed, so it's 0.00003 BTC, and you can do is click change amount received, and now it will say change amount. Would you like to receive 0.0018251? Okay, so in this case, this is the amount. It's going to be 00185. Okay, so it's added the fee. Okay, click on confirm, and now it's all good. Now all you need to do is to go back here to Cryptex. You will need to copy the Bitcoin address. Okay, we'll insert in here. And guys, always very, very important is to make sure that you check, double check, triple check the last and first and last digits of the wallet address. Okay, because to make sure that is correct. Okay, so BC1QV, and the last digits MC8, MC8N. Okay, MC8N. Okay, so all good. And now all you need to do is click on next. Okay, let's see. $18,251. Okay, all good. And potential risk warning, we will be aware of fraud. Okay, protect your account, all of that. Click here, that should trust this address, so to continue with the withdrawal. Okay, click this little here, click on next, and now I will ensure the information below is correct. Okay, you can check again. BC1QV, okay, the address BC1QV and MC8N, MC8N, all good. Withdrawal amount 18,551 with the fee already included. Okay, the amount received 18,251, 0.0018251, 0.0018251, all good. And now I click on confirm, and now I will need to get a code from my email and another one from my phone. This is added security, guys. If you do this on your mobile, it's going to be the same. Okay, so email gone, phone code. I will get the code for my okay, here I go. The code, I already have the code. I'm going to insert in here 13, and now the code from my email. Okay, my registered email here on OKX, and I'm gonna get the code. Okay, and insert in here 5548, and now all you need is to confirm, and the transaction will go through. Okay, request submitted. We're sending 18,251 whereas MC81. So guys, important to change your mind. To cancel the request within 1 minute and no fees will be charged. C81. Okay, so all good. Click on OK. And let me see, I can go back to my assets and see. This is on Bitcoin. Usually it probably will take a little longer, but let's see if the amount has already gone from my OKX Exchange. And let's see, Okay. Okay, it's already gone here from OKX, and I don't know if it has eventually already reached here my portfolio. So you click on my portfolio, overview portfolio. Probably this will take a little longer, guys, but on the next video that I will do how to purchase the contracts, then I will show you my balance here on my Cryptex account. Okay, guys, I believe that is a simple video, okay, that you can follow. If you have any doubts, okay, don't forget to, if you want to contact me, okay, Facebook, Twitter, or Telegram, okay, and if you have any doubts, just get in touch with me and I can help you. Okay, guys, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you on the next one.